Hello everyone, in today's video I'll guide you on how to install Steam on macOS, a highly popular gaming platform with a massive library of games. First, type the keyword Steam into Google and access Steam's official website at store.steampowered.com. On the main interface of the website, locate and click the Install Steam button in the top right corner of the screen. Then click Install Steam again to download the installer file to your Mac. Once the installer file has been downloaded, open the .dmg file. After opening it, you'll see a window prompting you to drag the Steam icon into the Applications folder. Follow this instruction to install Steam on your Mac. After installation is complete, open the Applications folder, find the Steam icon, and double-click it to launch the application. Alternatively, you can search for Steam using Spotlight to open the app. On its first launch, Steam will require additional updates to be downloaded. Simply wait a few minutes for the process to finish. Once you've reached the main interface of Steam, if you already have an account, just log in. If you don't have one yet, click the Create a New Account button to sign up. Fill out all the required information and verify your email to complete the registration process. Now you can start exploring and downloading your favorite games from Steam's extensive library. However, keep in mind that not all games on Steam support macOS. To check, look at the Supported Operating Systems section on the game's store page. If you're using a Mac with an Apple Silicon chip such as M1 or M2, most games supported by Rosetta 2 will run smoothly. However, some older or non-optimized titles may encounter issues. And that's it. You've learned how to install and set up Steam on macOS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.